Sasha Damon. Welcome back to my channel. And it's a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day. And I'm here with the Golden Girls.
Thank you for being a friend.
So as you guys can see,
vlog.
oh Lord, I don't know which way I'm going. Okay, as you guys can see, we have Mama Michelle, my beautiful Auntie Trisha, and my beautiful mother-in-law, all the way from GT. Big up yourself, GT Massive. Hold on, where are we going?
I have no idea.
Yeah, let's go up. I think let's go up. Okay. Yes, so we are on our way to Rendezvous. It's an outdoor patio. I seen it on the previous vlog. Ground, right? Ground floor. Yes, so we are downtown Toronto.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So we don't know. We have no idea where we're going. We're just exploring.
Dora the Explorer.
Oh yeah. So this is the right way. Oh, this is the right way. Do we push? Yeah, we push. So we're out and about in the city. You guys ready? What do you want to say to the vlog?
Hi.
Okay, let's go. That's all she wants to say is hi. And you guys don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how my videos are doing. We went here last week at the ballroom, and my brother beat my ass in bowling. And we're just gonna cross over to Rendezvous. Here are the ladies.
Travel down the road and back again.
And you guys, we're actually on time because I go at white people time. Always on time. Reservation is for 9:15 and it is now 9:01. So, what do you think so far?
I love the place. Wonderful.
Yeah, nice. And the CN Tower is right here.
Good night.
And it's only a 9-minute walk. If you want to walk to CN Tower, it's only 9 minutes. My mom taking pictures.
From here.
CN Tower? 9 minutes walk.
9 minutes to go far.
No, not far. Yeah. But it was locked.
Oh, it was That's just summer place.
Yeah. That's why I was like, it's okay, Dukes. Okay, Dukes.
someone.
Uh-oh, it's getting a little wobbly. Wobble, wobble. It's Auntie Trisha's turn.
I see that one. I was pushing it the first time and I see Sasha move back.
Oh, it looks kind of tight though. Hey, hey. Oh, 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 The drink I had last time.
Thank you.
What did you get? Pineapple juice. Just in case. Just in case. You did it. You gotta put it up closer. Mom, it's your turn.
This thing will fall down.
If you keep saying that, it will.
I don't see anywhere.
Pay attention. You're missing one in here. could have moved. Want me to tell you?
You can't tell.
No, you can't.
$5. $5 if I tell you. Ah, stiff.
Why you're not supposed to say
I said stiff. Oh, no, it's a sound effect. It's just a sound effect. That's it. If you take that one out, that's it.
Finish.
You can't go anymore? You have to. You have to go. You have to. It has to fall on somebody.
I want to follow what Patricia, and I want to follow Michael.
okay, so I put my drink all the way inside.
That's so sick.
Oh, Michelle knows.
I
You
know
see
those
one. You see one.
This is tight.
Ah, it's easy for you. There you go. You got it. Put it closer.
I keep looking at it. This thing is going to tumble very soon. It's like a photo of it. What's my next?
Oh my God, it's so tall. Oh wow. That's crazy.
What we have for this one in the middle? It's too tall now. Tasha. That's no more come back for dudes. No more come back. Dudes don't be here.
It's so tall.
We can't do this anymore. That's it. We got to start over.
Auntie Trisha, it's your turn. It's
You
your
got to
turn.
start over. This is going
No,
to
it has to fall.
White must fall.
None of us are champions.
No.
4
No.
champions.
I don't
No, they don't. They don't play that.
Snap. Look at that.
Oh snap!
Oh, snap. I don't see it.
This is so tall. It's gonna fall someone for real. So I lost. I made all the blocks fall down. So the 3 of you guys are champions. Big up yourself. Just waiting on our food because we're hungry. We're hungry. Waiting on our food. I'm gonna change this. Oh. Well, those centuries, some people would kick up this. Some people serious, man. Okay, let's go to the elevator. Yeah, I always walk with mine. So we are leaving now. Ladies, how was your food?
It was fantastic.
It was delicious.
It was wonderful. Well, big up yourself.
It was a happy night.
That's my ever.
Okay, you heard it. Best night ever from the one and only, the host, Sasha Damon. Part 1. Yep. Hello folks, good morning. It's a new day. I don't even think I ended off the vlog properly last night. I was mad tired. I get niggeritis, okay? And you know you're gonna have to drive very far. But it's the next day, Saturday morning. Not a lot of things to do today. I just have to, is my mouth dirty? My mouth is dry. Sorry for the dryness. But today's Saturday. Zy's going to a party tomorrow, Sunday. So I gotta I gotta go to Walmart to get either a black dress pants or a white or blue dress shirt. long story, but the outfit, yeah, anyways, it's a long story. So I'm gonna go check Walmart and then take him to my parents' house, and that's basically it. Nothing much that's going on today, but I'm about to go take a shower, get the kids ready, and get out of here. Okay guys, so I'm almost ready. Just gotta finish up. I think I'm gonna change Princess' outfit. I mean, I'll probably just let her wear that. I can honestly can't be bothered. Very tired. If I didn't have to go anywhere today, I honestly wouldn't be going anywhere. But yes, here's a quick fit. Toronto Raptors shorts, black shirt. There is a top for this pants, but the shirt, I think my breast kind of grew. I don't know how that happened, but it's a little bit tight. Let me show you guys. What are you telling them, Princess? What are you telling the people? Here's the shirt, guys. Why are you pushing me? What's the violence about? Anyways, this is the shirt, guys. It's cute, but the boob is just not boobieing. The boobs is just not boobieing. So we're gonna put this back. Gonna tell the boys to get ready. Prince is actually already ready. Zy needs to put on something else, and then we'll be on our way. What else do I need? I'll probably pair these with some red running shoes, some red sneaks. Could you stop fighting me? But yes, that's what's going on right now. That was a close up. Let me tell Zy to get ready. Zy! Say Zy, get ready. Say Zy, get ready. Okay, let me just take out what he needs to wear right now. Why are we screaming? Prince? What? That's nasty. Here's Prince. And here's Zy. And they're watching the vlog. You guys, which vlog is this one? Oh, this is a Florida vlog.
Yeah, this is a Florida vlog.
Okay.
The student.
See if these pants fit you.
Bobby, look. Do this one.
Let's see if they're too big.
Whoa.
Too big?
Creep. They look cute.
Take off those pants.
That's your video. Let me see.
But you see what? I'm vlogging.
I want to see the vlog. Yeah, I see Princess.
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Wait.
Okay, you guys, tell me. Let me know. Is Zy's pants too big? Prince, excuse me for a second. I want to see Zy's pants.
It's not big.
I think it's too big. Yeah, no, that cannot go on. Okay, guys, so we're about to put everything together, pack up, go in the car, and be on our way.
Twiddle be diddle.
Still got a lot more to do. I gotta wash Princess bottles, pack her baby bag, and yeah, life of a mother of 3, it gets hectic. If you know, you know. Guys, it's me again. And you're probably thinking, is this a new day? No, it's not. I just didn't feel like wearing what I was wearing in the previous clips. So I changed. I'm just wearing a simple tube dress. Simple tube dress. Baseball cap. And that's all. Like, I feel more comfortable in this. So, what's wrong, Princey? Yeah, so here's just a quick tube vest.
Let's start it over again.
Hat and bag.
I'm not laughing at this.
That's all, folks. That's all you need.
One.
finally in the car after all the drama and the fighting, and you know how kids are. So we are now all packed up in the car, ready to go. It's mad hot. It's very hot.
I know it's very hot.
Yeah, so maybe I might stop at Timmy's to get something to drink.
Myself.
The kids already have something to drink. So
Yeah, drink.
let's go. So right now we're just pulling up to the Tim Hortons drive-thru. I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna get something to drink. And then on our way to Orangeville, to Walmart's.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I get a medium caramel ice cap with extra caramel?
Okay, just one moment.
Can I get a strawberry lemonade?
No, you have something to drink already.
It fell.
I don't care. Get 2 10-pack Timbits.
2 10-packs of Timbits?
Yeah, no chocolate.
Okay, we're running low, so all it will be is honey dip and old fashioned.
Oh.
Honey dip.
Oh, it's okay. I'll get a donut. What donut do you want?
Pardon
Can I
me?
just get 10-piece honey dips?
So we're currently in Walmart, looking for something for Zy to wear. So let's see if you have.
Can I get this? Can I get this?
You don't need this.
It's a white t-shirt.
No, Zy. What you need is a black pants, and hopefully they have your size. Check and see if this is size 14.
It says 16.
No, the hanger may say 16, but the pants might be on a different hanger. If not, we're gonna have to get you a black. No, not a jacket. We're gonna have to get you
What does it say?
yeah, inside the
It's not even feet and toes.
inside the actual pants. It should say
It
it.
doesn't say anything inside the actual pants. Here.
See, this is a tag,
Oh
and it says 16.
At least I was tiny.
See? So 16 can't fit you?
I don't know.
I think the other pants was a 14.
At least
If this gets on.
Yeah,
And I
if
have the
this-
blue watch. And I have the blue watch.
Okay, okay. If it fits, you can get a white t-shirt underneath. Small.
no.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, actually, does it fit? How does it feel?
Raise. Scrumptious.
Okay, raise your hand up. Let me see. That's the only way I would know. Wait, let me finish buttoning it. Buttoning it.
Button.
Buttoning it. Button it.
You lost
Show the
your
camera.
button.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. I put both hands in the air.
You lost
It's okay. When
button.
when you're dancing, just gotta take out the buttons.
I'm okay. I won't dance.
You lost your button.
Okay, so
I won't dance. I would just sit and drink a wine glass. Like, so
you don't drink
professional.
wine.
No, not actually, but like.
Okay,
sit.
so now I'm gonna find like a plain
Shirt.
white shirt.
Or a blue. It's very blue. Then the shoes are brown. And then my blue
Oh, yeah.
watch. And then my chain that has blue diamonds on it. Clear diamonds actually.
This jacket is $30.
I guess so.
$30. Prince, can you move up?
30
a bit,
bucks for what?
please? For the blazer.
What?
So now we gotta look.
14 is the biggest size. This is like low.
That's a 14. The jacket said 14. So where is the section for the white t-shirt?
Ooh, I can wear this.
Oh, they have
no.
they have belts here.
Oh, let's go brown belt.
$18. I'm not paying $18 for a belt.
Look. I wish I can have that when I'm 21.
Have what?
Who
That.
wishes it?
The Spider-Man?
Yeah.
But they don't have your size. They're all big
No,
size.
when I was 21.
What?
When I was 21.
Yeah, there's a shirt, but they don't have the pants for him.
Oh.
The pants is like too big.
Wait, does this fit me?
It could fit you, yeah, but there's no pants for you to fit in.
Yeah, but when I was 21, I could have it.
When you're 20?
21.
When you're 21? Oh my
20.
gosh. That's so far from now. Is in the buggy because she's sleeping. Let's take a sneak peek to see. Yep. Princess is knocked out. Okay. Oh, these are white, but these are for men.
What is goody, my guys? We did not get the white shirt, but we did get a blue blazer. We will get, well, I have full blue except my shoes. My shoes are gonna be brown.
Anyways, the point is, guys, we couldn't find what we were looking for. Now we need a white plain t-shirt, and we can't even find a white plain t-shirt. That's my problem.
Or black.
That's the issue. Or black. Or friggin' blue. So last minute. Anyways, back to Zy.
Yeah. Well, Mom just said it also. Bye. Hi, reporting on the case. We just entered Brampton. There's a severe thunderstorm. Things are getting out of hand, folks. We don't know if you can see. Right now, thunder is shining. Shining. As you can see here. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
That's why I love my beautiful city of Dundalk, because it is bright, it is shining, it's sunny. So we just hit Brampton, and what's going on here? What is this? Unacceptable, Bramptonians. Get it together, honey. I'm explaining, but yeah, it's crazy right now. Like, as you can see, the last clip, can't even see shit because it's coming down so hard right now. Guy, I hope you're not like in my nose here. Like, you're too close.
Sasha out. Well, as you can see, well, it's getting very crazy, folks. Well, we don't know if you can handle this. Zy out. We are on our way to McDonald's because we are hungry pitneys that like to waste our mother's money.
Yeah, you got that right.
That's what you said.
Yes, Halo. Look at the line though. The line for McDonald's is always so damn long. Yes, ojalapi, ojalapi.
Hello.
Hello.
So guys,
I put my face like that.
I call my mom, and she's actually on her way to Walmart. So I made her go to Walmart to do my errands because I can't be bothered to stop again. When you have 3 kids, the less you can go to the mall without them is better. So,
Mommy?
yeah.
I do this every time.
What do you do?
Ask.
You not.
I do that every time.
But yeah, we're in McDonald's line. I'm gonna feed these hungry belly people because on Saturdays I don't cook. I ain't cooking.
It's your reporter's eye. Live and out.
Live and out.
Tuning out.
Hey y'all. So I just returned home. It's almost 11. So it's almost 11 p.m. In my closet because I'm just putting some stuff away. The kids are sleeping. Zy's actually at my parents' house because he's going out tomorrow with them. So it's just me, Prince and Princess. I'm mad tired. I just want to close off today's vlog. Saturday's vlog, whatever. I just want to close off today. And then tomorrow's Sunday, it's a new day. Not sure what I have planned for Sunday as yet, but just gonna go with the flow, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Sunday morning. I'm well rested, as you can tell. I still have some crust on my face, so I apologize. I probably should have washed my face before I came on the vlog, but that's okay. I'm gonna do that right now. Yes, happy Sunday. Good morning. What I will be doing, I'm gonna fix all this up right now. And you guys know Queen. Queen is our dog, and Queen needs a bath. So, because this is a new home and we haven't really got I would say not house supplies, but outdoor house supplies like a hose. Eventually we're gonna need a snowblower. Eventually we're gonna need a lawnmower. So that's what I mean in regards to outdoor home supplies. So I'm gonna go to our local hardware store. Hopefully they're open today because it's Sunday. I'm not too sure. I haven't been there on a Sunday. It's on Main Street. I'm gonna check them out and see if they're open, and if they are, hopefully they have a hose, fingers crossed. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna give Queen a bath because she needs it. She needs it. But yeah, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. See you guys in a few. And look who we have here. Princess. Come. Come out. Say good morning. Say good morning. What do you want to say to the people? Huh? How old are you?
2.
Good job. All right, so we're all set. Well, I'm all set. I think Princess thinks that she's coming with me. She might. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, getting ready to go. We're getting ready to go. You guys say good morning to Prince. Good morning. Princey wants to come with me, but I'm not going too far. I'm just going right down the street. Princess, where are you going with that? Okay, Prince, put on your shoes. You have shoes at the door. Princess, put on your shoes. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Put your shoes on. Go put, Prince, don't close the door until she puts her shoes on.
Okay. Huh? How make a sound? Are you speaking sounds?
Put your shoes on, baby.
Like that.
Wrong side. This, wait, this side.
When you push it, why do you make a sound?
I'm here driving to go out. Why did you do that?
Listen to me. You can drive the next car.
With no key in the house?
Look, as I just come outside.
Where did you go?
Went up the street there.
I was there looking for you. So you move the bike, let me
No, you
reverse.
can drive the next car.
I'm already in this car. Let's go. I need to go.
I come.
Hop in. The door is open though.
Oh, what you got?
Oh my gosh. Anyways. As I'm looking for you and I'm like, where are you? We have an intruder. Intruder. Oh. We have an intruder.
Don't try to left me home. You going back.
I was like, can you please sit down? Sit down. Okay, this is our home hardware store. We're gonna go see if there's a hose. Our hardware store. You can see how much they are.
Well, I've got
Something cheaper.
this one here. This says it's 50, and it's
That works for
$18.99.
now. Oh, what about this one?
Yeah, that's even smaller.
Yeah. Next summer we'll get something bigger and better.
Yeah, well, it's almost end of season. right?
Exactly. Okay, that works.
Yeah, cool.
17.49. And then these ones over here are just heavy duty ones, or
They will be, yeah.
Oh,
100
okay.
footers and contract. Like, well, these are good in barns.
Oh, okay.
A little bit more heavy.
Oh, but this is only $20.
Is it?
Well, that's what it says, right?
No, that's for below. That's
Oh,
the
I might as well get that one.
Yeah. No, this is more like 50 usually.
50. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. There's one for $17.50. This is good, or you want a longer one?
Yeah.
You want a longer one? There's be more money.
It's not much more.
Okay, let him show you. You put this back.
Yeah, this is a 50. This is a 50 footer.
No,
And that one's 29. This one says it's 19.
19 one is not bad.
Like a nice strong one.
Oh, they're around the other side, but they're a lot.
Yeah, but they're a lot more money.
Yeah.
On a budget here.
These are closer to.
Okay, guys, so we came back home, and unfortunately, the hose, it has a hole in it. So hubby went back to the store to see if he could get a better one or next one, because we can't be having a hose with a hole in it. We just bought it. No, ma'am. So we're just waiting for him to get back so I can start getting Queen all fresh. So guys, we're in the garage. Queen is here. Well, you can't really see her because she is here. First thing we're going to do. Hi, Queen. Okay. First thing we're going to do is clean out her crate. So she's all clean. She has a clean crate to go into. So her crate is here. Take this out. What did they say about the holes? Does exchange it? Why is it stuck in here? How will this come out? Stay right here. Queen just ran into the next door's neighbor's house. This dog has no manners. Oh my god. Where's Queen, Prince?
In the house?
Not our house, next door neighbor's house.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
I already know that. I already know that.
Move, Princess, move. Come here, we'll soak you up.
She went up herself.
Come here.
No, I want to get wet. Okay?
Just soak her up. Dawn. I know I ran out of dog.
Mommy, that's so cool.
I ran out of doggy soap. So I'm gonna have to do for now. Princess, can you move, please?
Oh my gosh. Mommy, Zy's doing like 31 feet.
Queen, can you relax? No.
1 feet. Wait, do doggies always do that? Mommy, look at Princess.
Queen, come here. Queen, come. Come. Okay guys, so Queen has officially been cleaned. It was a little dramatic and a struggle, but she's clean. She's in her crate. Princess helped soap Queen up too. Good job, Princess. She's in her crate. She's gonna get dried off soon. Queen, how do you feel? Huh? Do you feel fresh?
Yes.
Fresh.
Yes.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap on giving Queen a bath. Alright, so we're back inside cooking Sunday dinner. Well, I'm not cooking Sunday dinner. He's making his famous curry chicken. Yes, and I'm Guyanese, black Guyanese. I say curry chicken. I don't say chicken curry. Anyways, curry chicken. Here's the chef. Rice a bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Chicken out, stir, 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 stir. And what would you like to say, chef? Well, y'all know he get nasty ways, so you don't really say much and you try to ignore me. And to end off the vlog, we're gonna have some food. How long is it gonna take? Once again, rude, no manners, unruly, piece of shit. Anyways, I'll show you guys the food once it's all done. The meal is all done, all prepared. Look at all this beautiful, tasty dish. This is what you call curry chicken, guys. Curry chicken. You curry the chicken. With some potatoes on the side. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
I like curry chicken.
Huh?
I like curry chicken.
You don't like curry chicken?
No, I like curry chicken.
You don't know what you like. Anyways.
I like curry chicken.
Oh, you like curry chicken? Yeah. Alright, guys. So that is a wrap on the weekend vlog. Yeah, so Princess said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to stay prayed up. Bye.
Bye.